So we are about to take off. We filled up the boat with 80 gallons of gas.
Yeah.
And now we are having a takeoff toast with our friend, what is it called here? Jameson. And that's linguiça tongue. Do linguiça tongue. Oh, that's too much. Too much. No,
Oh,
do
sorry,
less.
sorry.
Do less. Okay, there you go. And put the Jameson next to you. In your face. By your face. Jameson tongue. Okay, and sorry, that's too much.
You didn't tell me how much to
So
do.
we're doing a toast to our takeoff. He's out of control.
No, I just.
Stop it.
It's early. It's like 8. It's like 8 o'clock.
It's 10. It's 10. Not that that's late. Stop. I'm not. You can't chew on me. Okay, I'm not like, you're not a koala and I'm not bamboo. You can't just do that.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, so we're toasting
It's early.
to. Okay, it's your turn
We're
to
toasting to like our adventure on the river, and the river's raised like 12 feet.
to the storm.
And so, who knows what kind of trees and crazy, like, debris are gonna be on the river? But we're gonna go out there
We're gonna go out there
and like
'cause
party.
We're brave.
We're gonna party on the fucking river because
We're gonna-
it's our river.
Because it's our
river.
fucking river.
Fuck the river. It's our river.
No, not fuck the river. Like the river. We're gonna thank the river for being so
Thank
high.
you, river, for being high.
For being high. Cheers. Cheers to the river.
Cheers to the
To
river.
nature.
Woo! And Peanuts dance floor. I love Peanuts dance floor. Woo!
We'll explain later.
Yeah, I'll explain that.